Hey guys, Michel here, and I'm in my home theater room where my laser shot system is integrated into that home theater room. And I want to show you guys a little bit of fun that we have here in the Michel family. With this being said, we have a lot of movie nights, right guys?
Yeah.
We like to watch movies, that's what we like to do. But we also like to have a little bit of fun and shoot. So we're going to kind of run through one of the systems here that we have for you guys. And there's a number of games and a number of things you can utilize for dry fire and training or whatever it is that you might do in life. But tonight, it's all about a little bit of having fun with the Michel family. So we have some stuff set up for us. We're going to go to the pirate ship. It's one of our favorites, so it's a little bit of interaction. You got to make sure you shoot the bad guys, save the good guys, right?
Yeah.
So I want you to hold this for me, Kenzie. And let's go ahead and get started. Shoot to continue there. Whenever you're ready, we're going to click play. And remember, every time it goes empty, you got to shoot the bottom screen, right? Oh, you're on the roll right now. You're smoking. He's got cannons.